Hello guys, I'm waiting for some more to join. I'm sharing link in the group. Let's wait for some more of them to join, and yeah, then we continue on with our live stream. Let's just wait for some of them to join. Nothing much. Okay, so the link has been posted. We are waiting for some more viewers to join us, and then we start a live stream. Yeah. Till then, you guys can ask me any question regarding Bitcoin, Ethereum, any trade you are stuck in. I'll be answering that too. Yeah, hello. Also, without wasting any time, let's just directly jump on to Bitcoin analysis. Let's see how Bitcoin is reacting to its price action. Okay, so if we look closely, let me remove all this. If you look closely, and for those of you who know harmonics a bit, we have noticed that there's a bullish shark pattern right here forming. What a bullish shark pattern does is it pumps the coin back from 0.886 zone, 0.886 Fibonacci retracement till 1.13, which means that this is 0.886 and this is 1.13. These are the two zones in which Bitcoin can pump between, and we need to accumulate Bitcoin in between these two zones. So I'll get it done with the rectangle, and yeah, as we saw right here, as soon as we entered in 0.886 zone and below, we accumulated a bit right here, and then we pumped from here, and now we are above our zone. So now what can we see for Bitcoin? See, if we go on to FEGs, which is fair value gap, you can say, if we go look on to FEGs, okay, let me get FEG on chart. So yeah, this is a very big, and you can call it a very huge FEG, which means that after what we can expect basically is we first fulfill this whole zone, because FEGs are usually made to be fulfilled. We fulfill this zone for our FEG, and then we crash back again to 1.13 zone somewhere there, and then we pump again. This is what we are expecting for Bitcoin next. But for now, a potential entry between these zones is a very good entry for anybody who want a long. This you can consider as a free live scalp as well. 1.41, 19,062 will be our stop loss with our take profit still. Let me remove this all. With our take profit still, yeah, 0.618 zone, which is considerably this. It's a 1.58 RR trade. So yeah, it's a good move on Bitcoin. It's around 11 to 12% move on Bitcoin, which means that we can expect alts to recover back from where we have lost the potential gain on alts. Okay, Mohammad Ishan will be looking into gold as well, but for now let's hop onto Ethereum real quick, as we have got our members joining. So let's go and see how Ethereum is doing. Let's see. If anybody of you who haven't got how Bitcoin price action is reacting can ask me again, I'll be answering to that again for sure. Okay, so here we get good support for Ethereum, which means that price has respected this zone. So let's get this on chart on daily time frame. So this is a potential reversal zone. Okay, if we expect a pattern to be made, it could be a head and shoulder. As I said, Bitcoin will to pump for a bit, and then a final crash we'll see. So here too we see that Ethereum has made a left shoulder ahead and is now moving towards a right shoulder somewhere right here, somewhere 1950 zone. I expect the shoulder to be made, and then again we break this and we head towards 1200 zones and back to the zones we have targeted again. Looking forward for Ethereum towards that price action. But let's move on to 4 hours time frame, and let's see. Again we'll see the same thing. We'll see this huge support on Ethereum. Okay, so yeah, those of you who shorted Ethereum upon this trend line, when this trend line broke, cheers to you guys. You guys made quite good gains. But yeah, that's all for Ethereum. We are waiting for Bitcoin to get some more price action, because the price action isn't that good for Bitcoin for an individual to think of it and then trade it. So yeah, we are just waiting for Bitcoin to retrace a bit, or to pump, or to give us confirmation of its next move, so then we get to know how Bitcoin is gonna react. That's all for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now let's move on to alts. Okay, we'll be going to many other messages as well. Today we'll be going through, I guess the mic is fine. You I guess you can refresh the stream. The mic is quite fine. Okay, we'll be doing DXY as well. But before that, we'll go to you can say index updates. I want you all to like the stream if you haven't, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be looking at ape for sure. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I'll be going towards on demand analysis. So for those of you who haven't liked the stream yet, I want you all to like the stream, comment down what you want. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I'll be going on demand analysis. Till then, I'll be analyzing indexes. So 10 likes is the goal before we turn up to, you can say, on demand analysis like ape, DX, Y, and gold, and many other things. Yeah, we are on to 6 likes, 4 more to go before we head on to that. I hope we reach that. Let's go on to index updates real quick. Okay, so let's go to Bitcoin dominance. As mentioned in our previous Bitcoin dominance analysis as well, this trend line is a very strong play zone for Bitcoin dominance. If we break this, if we break this whole zone for Bitcoin dominance, then we can see an absolute recovery in alts, and we think that Bitcoin is gonna explode and all. Okay, that's on another side. But what if we go right here? Then we might see alts to bleed for a short term, but when we get rejected from here, we get back to this zone, then we again expect a huge recovery in alts. But for now, what I think for Bitcoin is, we will again bounce from this zone and head towards somewhere right here. We got this zone in our previous live stream as well, where I told you the rejection is gonna happen, and it did, and we got back to the trend line. This is all I have drawn previously as well. Let's go to USDT dominance. Let's remove all this. USD dominance has rose quite nicely, so let's just, okay, so if we break this, you can consider this as a bull flag too for USD dominance. If we are gonna break this thing towards upside, then yeah, for sure we are dumping. So all the signs are bare for now if you look at indexes, because when USD dominance rises, the market bleeds. Let's move on to total is 2 on the resistance for this triangle. If we see somewhere right here, then again, when you know what's happening, alt's dominance is also falling, which means that money is being flown into Bitcoin rather than other major caps. Yeah, that's all for indexes too. If you haven't understood anything, okay, if you haven't understood anything or anything like that, you can again ask me. I am answering all of the questions. Anything you didn't understood about our you can say Bitcoin analysis or Ethereum analysis, or any of, you can say, the alt analysis or the index updates we give, I'll be repeating that too. I will be looking at BNB. I'll be looking at BNB, DXY, and Ape, which have been requested for now. So yeah, let's just quickly move on to BNB and Ape, and then let's see what we get from them. Let's first look on to BNB. We have already long BNB in our VIPs, and that too from 293 zone. So we are still in profit. Obviously we got to our take profits. Our take profit 2 was very near. Take profit was very near at 337, but but we got to a high of 336.8. It was all about 0.2. We would be our take profit 4, that would be around more than 150% gain with 10x leverage. But yeah, whatever. So for now, what we think on BNB is that it's on a huge trend line support, resistance basically, and it has retested this triangle trend line too. So if we pump from here, we might give a retest here, and then we see a huge candle towards this zone. But let's move on to daily. And refresh this. For those of you who are saying that there's head and shoulders, yeah, we see a potential head and shoulder, head, and another shoulder forming. This is the neckline. If you break this trend line, obviously we'll be opening shorts for BNB. BNB2 needed a correction before we were pumping, and yeah, it's now getting that thing again. We need some retest here. Let's see our EMA. Yeah, it's 2 above. So yeah, I'll be waiting for BNB. Let's look into Alt Algo 2. How is this reacting to our BNB? Okay, let's go to 4 hours. Let's see if we get anything here, right here. Okay, it's on a EMS support, and yeah, we can think of longing it, but yeah, we have already longed it. We have already entered BNB trade, so won't be getting more into that. Okay, we'll be looking at Ape now, and Sandbox too. Sandbox has got an event upcoming as well, so let's look on to Ape first of all, then we'll be looking at Sand got an event tomorrow as well, so I am hoping that Sand gives us a good pump. This is a huge consolidation zone for Ape. Until unless we don't break this trend line, we can't say much about Ape. Till then we'll be consolidating in this zone. But yeah, as soon as we break this and Bitcoin turns out to be bullish, what could be the next target for Ape? You guys might be thinking for sure. It would be above and over 10-20%. We'll be breaking this resistance too for Ape. It's been consolidating since long. We will break this too, and we might head toward this zone. Let's go on to daily and see. Yeah, let me remove this triangle, and let's see if daily has got some harmonics on it. Yeah, we might have some harmonics on daily too, so we might be interested in trading these two. But yeah, that zone is somewhere right here, 4.486, and this zone. But yeah, till then I'll be waiting for the triangle to break down or break upwards, then we'll see. Like your channel, thank you. Okay, CHZ and ENJ will be looking at. Let me answer. Okay, Amar, so the thing is, when we post signal and take profits get hit, if you're using the Cornex bot, then 20% of your trade cuts down on each and every take profit. So the thing is that what you can do if you're trading manually, that you can get your stop loss to break even as soon as the take profit hit, and start taking out profit at each and every trade. You just take 20% of your exit, then somehow 25, and take TP5, you take 10% and let the trade running, and keep moving the stop loss, or enable the trailing stop loss on Binance too. That would help you for sure in maximizing your gains. Okay, holding shorts on Atom and BNB, what's your opinion? Can you show an analysis for Atom too? As I told you, we are long on BNB since 293. Our take profits had been achieved too, but yeah, I'll look at Atom for you. Atom is kind of forming a bullish pattern on 4 hours, head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder basically, or you can call this a cup and handle too. A handle is being formed, and once we break this, we are surely gonna pump for Atom. So yeah, if you are gonna break above this, you can draw this on your chart. We are gonna surely go long on this too, somewhere stop loss somewhere below this liquidity, and take profit here. So yeah, 1 hour trade we can possibly get on this. Okay, CHZ and DYX. Let's go to CHZ. Those of you who want to learn some technical analysis too on this live session, who want to see how triangle patterns work out, can also tell me. We'll be looking at that. Oh my god, CHZ did some wonders today. Oh, 35% pump in 2 days. That's crazy. But yeah, we are again at resistance for CHZ. Let me see the let me see how much have we pumped already till the bottom. Yeah, we are on basically a potential reversal zone if we don't break this trend line, and also break if we don't break this and get reverse back, then we can expect a correction towards back to this support of 25%, then 33%, and then up to 40 to 45% correction we can expect on CSG if we don't break this above this rectangle, whichever I have drawn. Sandbox, I haven't analyzed sand yet, or did I might have not. So yeah, let's just look at sand. Sand is on a huge support right here. It was able to hold this support, and it has made highs since then. You see a higher high, a high, then a high, but then it got a break of structure right here, and since then it's been consolidating. But yeah, if the event turns out to be good tomorrow, we can expect a good 10 to 20% pump in sandbox too. Okay guys, any more analysis you guys want, anything else you guys want? I'm just here to confirm that we are still working on our trades, and Bitcoin is further consolidating for a while. Unless we don't get what we want on Bitcoin, we can't trade because the zone is quite consolidating, and I don't see potential for longs nor for short right here. Market manipulators are on their job, going for us to hunt our stop losses, to liquidate us. So if you want to make some good gains, join our VIPs. I'll be usually posting signals there, and you can also get our indicator alt algo too, that might help you in trading if you want to. I would recommend you joining us on Telegram. The link is right below in the description. Hopefully to see you guys there. Okay, so let's end this live stream right here. It was a quick scalp and quick short review about Bitcoin and Ethereum price action. I'll be meeting you guys tomorrow with a new live session, and we'll be uploading a new technical analysis series video tomorrow, or hopefully this Wednesday. So yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Thank you for joining us on AltSignal Trade. Hope to see you soon. Bye.